Hey, how you doing, guys? My name is Steve Martinez. I live in San Diego, and I want to take some time to thank Anthony over at Approved Credit Score. He did a phenomenal job, and his team, by the way. Talked to you a little bit about while I'm stuck in traffic. Um, Anthony did what I thought was the impossible. I was trying to fix my credit, right, and I did an okay job, and there was just some items on there that was just no way I could get it to work, and I hooked up with Anthony, and we got together, talked a few times, and then he put a game plan together with his team, and told me exactly what they were gonna do and what the outcome was gonna be. And lo and behold, I had my credit score was probably in the mid 600s. It wasn't that good, and then I needed to get to 700. Anyways, he did it. Within a few months, he started knocking off stuff that I thought were almost going to be impossible, but he did. Him and his team really did a really good job. And then once we got to the point where we got it over 700, he gave me the ability to raise some cash, really, to raise some cash for a business that I'm starting, and he did that all within 6 months. And I have to admit, he did a fantastic job. I'm really happy with what he's done for us. It's got my company in a great position, and I'm really happy that I went with him. If you guys need any help with your credit file, or need to figure out a way to raise some cash, call Anthony. He's the guy. He can get it done. Believe me, he did what I didn't think was possible. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.